So this is kind of a last minute thing because I didn't really choose any sides to go with my last dish, but I thought I could show you a simple recipe that my friend showed me. There's a bunch of different variants of this. This is just fried corn, essentially. It's very easy and it's also really good. I love it. So let me just show you how this goes. First, you gotta get your butter. And there you have it. You now have really, really good tasting corn. Yay! Well, feel free to try this out. It is pretty straightforward, so that makes it easy.